My thing is I'm kind of adverse to debt financing starting off in the red, but you're right. You just need to figure out a strategy that's going to help you get to the next level.
I mean, I started out in the red. My mom gave me some money. I said, "Mom, I'll pay you back. I promise." So even like the first like 2 years of my business, I didn't start fixing my credit until like year 3 because I had just messed it up so much. Like it was terrible. I understood how business funding worked, right? So what I did was I got my credit to a good enough point, right? Now I have 7 cards and 10 hard inquiries. So for the next 12 months, I'm not applying for nothing. So now let's maximize all these 10 cards and then get the limits increased, right? So I would use the cards consistently, pay off the bills, leave a little balance on there so get a little bit of interest because they want to see that, you're using the money, right? Because if you're paying off the bills every single month, like, well, dang, you're not making me no money. So leave a little bit left, keep paying it every single month. Just make sure utilization is very low. And naturally, I did that over and over and again, build up phenomenal credit history because I had, let's say 10 cards reporting every single month. That's 120, payments made on time in 1 year. If you only have 2 cards, that's only 24 payments made on time. That's a weaker profile. So I literally like maximized, got all those credit cards and just paid every single month. I would call them every 3 months and request a credit limit increase. So naturally increase my limits. I'm making payments on time. My credit score, my credit profile got stronger. My hard inquiries were like slowly falling off, Essentially, I just built my profile up. So now every 3 months, I get new credit cards.